Number 2, the scatter plot shows the relationship between two variables x and y. Okay. A line of best fit is also shown. Fine, this is the line of best fit. Let's see the question. Which of the following equation best represents the line of best fit? Today we are going to outsmart the SAT in under 1 or 2 minutes. Before solving this question, let me go to the options. If I see the options, right, these options, see, this is not the formal method. Formal method I'll do after telling you this wonderful trick. I can see either the slope is 1 or it is -1. Only these 4 options are there. Now when the slope is 1, line is something like this, and when the slope is -1, line is something like this, if you are very much aware with the basics of that. If we see our question, this is like this. So that means C and D options are not the right options. Now, when we see y is equal to mx plus b, then b is the initial value, that means the y-intercept. If I see in the graph, y-intercept is positive. So now we have only 2 options from where we have to select. And in the second option, this is -3/4, right? Our y-intercept is positive. So A is the right option. Sometimes these smart ways, when we really know the basics of the questions, help us to do the questions really quick. But now let's do it with the proper method. First of all, if we have y is equal to mx plus b, we will see the y, this b is the y-intercept, which is 3.4. So plus 3.4, that is the point. And now y is equal to mx. Now we have to find the m. So what is m? M is equal to change in y over change in x, right? So for this we have to find 2 points. Let's say one point is this. So coordinates of these this is 12 and 15. And let's say one point is this. It is 10 and 12. So in between this is 11 and this one is 8. Say 8 and 11 is this coordinate. See, in this one 15 is actually between 14 and 16. That is exactly in the middle. So 14, 15, 16. That is why it is 15. And here it is exactly in between 10 and 12. So it is 11, 8 and 11. Now I will apply. This one is x1, x2 let's say, and this is y2. This one is x1 and this one is y1. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that is 4 over 4. That means slope is 1. See, what if slope is 1? Okay, let's see, y is equal to x plus 3.4. This is what we guessed, right? But a question is, what if I just change the x1 y1 position? Instead of this as x1 and y1, I am taking this as x2 y2, and instead of this I am taking it as x1 and y1. Let's see if any change happens. So y2 minus y1 is 11 minus 15 over x2 minus x1 is 8 minus 12. So this is -4 over -4. Again, that is 1. So if you change the order, that's okay. But you should not do like 15 minus 11 and 8 minus 12. That will be wrong, right? So this is a right option. This one is the formal way of doing it. But first we just outsmart the concept that, okay, just 4 options. So positive slope, positive y-intercept. So A will be the right option. I hope you find this question really interesting, because this is really interesting.